Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear cadets, today we will discuss another topic that is called effects of expansion and contraction of solids in everyday life. First of all, we will talk about the concrete road surface. While constructing concrete road, factors of pressure, expansion and contraction are considered. For instance, if the road surface were laid on a continuous stretch, they would crack due to expansion and contraction with the change in the temperature. To avoid such damages, a concrete road surface are laid down in sections with small gap between them. These gaps are filled with such a material which contract with the expansion of these concrete surfaces and expand with the contraction of the concrete surfaces. Now let's talk about the railway tracks. Railway tracks are laid in section with the gap between them that are joined by fish plates. These are fish plates. If there is no gap in rail track, then thermal expansion will cause them to bend. Now let's talk about the bridges. Bridges are made of steel girder which expand when heated. A gap is kept between the girders to allow the expansion. If there was no gap, the girder will expand and bend. To allow for thermal expansion, one end is fixed while other end rests on a roller in an expansion gap. Now let's talk about the telephone wires or overhead power cables. The telephone wire between two poles hang down in summer and become tight in winter. The wires are laid in such a way that they are allowed to expand or contract. Overhead telephone or electric wires between two poles are given a certain amount of sag, as you can clearly see in this figure, so that they can contract in winter without breaking. If there is no sag, the wire can break on contraction. Now let's talk about the pipelines. The metal pipeline can damage due to expansion and contraction. The expansion of water exerts pressure on the wall of pipe, which must also be taken in account in order to avoid any loss or damage. Such damages can be avoided by coating the pipeline with insulating material.